Hi students, today we are going to start a new chapter. Chapter 4 Linear Equations in Two Variables. Now we can discuss about equation. What is mean by equation? Equations we have studied from lower classes. What is mean by an equation? Equation means an expression involving equality sign. What is equality sign? This sign, equal sign. We have learned about algebraic expression from a standard. Okay, algebraic expression means an expression involving variables and constants. If an expression involving this sign, what sign it is? This sign is known as equality sign, equal sign. An expression involving equality sign is known as equation. For example, 2x plus 3 equal to 6, isn't it? It is an expression. This expression involves equality sign. Here equality sign is there. So it is an equation, isn't it? Another example, 4y plus 6x equal to 22. It's an equation because equality sign is there. Here equality sign is there, isn't it? So I think all of you understood what is an equation. Equation means an expression involving equality sign. An expression involving equality sign is known as equation. Now we can discuss about linear equations. What is meant by linear equation? From last chapter polynomials we have studied linear polynomial. What is linear polynomial? Linear polynomial means a first degree polynomial. If the degree of the polynomial is 1, such polynomials are known as linear polynomial. For example, 2x plus 3. The degree is 1. Degree means highest power of the variable. Here highest power of the variable is 1. So the degree of this polynomial is 1. So it is a linear polynomial. Another example, 2x minus 6, 7y plus 8, 6x. All these are linear polynomial because all degree of all these polynomials are 1. So linear polynomial means first degree polynomial. Then what is meant by linear equation? Linear equation. Linear equation means first degree equation. Understood? Linear polynomial means first degree polynomial. Linear equation means first degree equation. For example, 2x plus 3 equal to 5. What is the degree of this polynomial? 2x plus 3 equal to 5. What is the degree of this polynomial? Degree of this equation. Its highest power is 1. So degree of this equation is 1. So it is a linear equation. Understood? Another example, 7y minus 2 equal to 100. It is a linear equation because the degree of the equation is 1. It is a linear equation. Another example, x square plus 2x plus 3 equal to 5. Is it a linear equation? It is an equation because equality sign is there, but the degree is 2. Here the highest power is 2. So it is not a linear equation. Such equations are known as quadratic equation. It is a quadratic polynomial, x square plus 2x plus 3. Since equality sign is there, it is a quadratic equation. Okay, this is not a linear equation. So linear equation means a first degree equation. What is the standard form of linear equation? Ax plus b equal to 0. This is the standard form of a linear equation in one variable. Here variable is x. Okay, ax plus b equal to 0 where a and b are constants. For example, 2x plus 3 equal to 0. It is a linear equation in one variable x. Another example, 4x minus 6 equal to 9. It's a linear equation in one variable. So linear equation means a first degree equation. First degree equation means the degree of the equation is 1. Okay. Now here we have an equation 2x plus 3y equal to 6. 2x plus 3y equal to 6. This is the equation given. Here we have two variables x and y. Isn't it? We have two variables x and y. And what type of equation is this? The degree of the variable is, the degree of the equation is 1. Isn't it? The highest power of the variable is 1. So the degree of the equation is 1. So it is a linear equation. But here we have two variables x and y. So this equation is known as linear equation in two variable. Here the highest power is 1, so it is a linear equation, and also we have two variables x and y, so it is a linear equation in two variables x and y. Another example, 6x minus 8y equal to 25. Here we have two variables x and y. So it is a linear equation in two variable. Another example, 2a plus 3b minus 8 equal to 0. Here the variables are a and b. Here also it is a linear equation in two variables, but here the variable is a and b. Variable may be any variable. Another example, 7z plus 3u minus 7 equal to 0. Here what are the variable? Here z is a variable and u is a variable. So here we have two variables. It is a linear equation in two variable. So linear equation in two variable means a first degree equation in two variables. Isn't it? What is the standard form of a linear equation in two variable? Ax plus b equal to 0. It is a linear, it is the standard form of a linear equation in one variable. That is, x term is there, constant term is there, and equal to 0. This is the standard form of a linear equation in one variable. In one variable. Okay. Then what is the standard form of a linear equation in two variable? Two variable means x term will be there and y term will be there. So ax x term plus by y term, then constant term. Okay, this is the standard form or general form of linear equation in two variables x and y. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where these a, b, c are constants, that is real numbers. Understood? So what is the standard form of a linear equation in two variable? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are constants. Here a is the coefficient of x and b is the coefficient of y and c is the constant term. They are constants, and x and y are the variables in this equation. So this is a standard form of a linear equation in two variables. For example, 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. This is a linear equation in two variables x and y. It is in standard form also. Standard form means first we should write x term and then y term, then constant term, then equal to 0. This is the method of writing an equation in standard form. First write x term, second write y term, third write constant term, and last equal to 0. Understood? Now consider this equation. 2x plus 3y equal to 6. It is a linear equation in two variable. Is it in standard form? The given equation is not written in standard form. How to write this equation in standard form? Standard form means first we should write x term and then y term, then constant term. Equal to 6 means if we take this 6 into left side, it will be minus 6. Okay, then equal to 0. Understood? Now this is in standard form because first x term, y term, then constant term, then equal to 0. Understood? So this is the method of writing an equation in standard form. Consider another example. 4 equal to 5x minus 3y. 4 equal to 5x minus 3y. It is a linear equation in two variables, but it is not written in standard form. So how to write in standard form? First write x term. If we take this equation, we can written as 5x minus 3y equal to 4. Okay, 4 equal to 5x minus 3y, we interchange left and right places, no problem. 5x minus 3y equal to 4. So how to write in standard form? First x term, then y term, then minus 4. If you take this 4 into left side, it will be minus 4 equal to 0. Now the equation is written in standard form. Another example, 2x equal to y. 2x equal to y. It is a linear equation in two variables. Then how to write this equation in standard form? So to write standard form, first we should write x term, that is 2x. Then equal to y will be minus y in the left side. Minus y. Here constant term is not there. Constant term is not there, only x term and y term. X term we wrote, and equal to y will be minus y in the left side. And equal to 0. Nothing is there in the right side, so 0. So 2x minus y equal to 0. This is a standard form of the given linear equation. So to write an equation in standard form, first we will write x term, then y term, then constant term. Here constant term is not there. Then at last equal to 0. Clear?